Infertility is the problem of all over the world. So first of all, we should understand what is infertility. Here, infertility basically means that not getting pregnant. See, there are many reasons as well as there are many solutions to this infertility. The solutions are provided by the assisted reproductive technologies. We will understand and we will deal with them stepwise. Many couples all over the world are unable to produce the children. I have told you that infertility means not getting pregnant. Many couples of all over the world are not able to produce the children. So there are many reasons. Let us understand what are the reasons. Some of the reasons for infertility are congenital diseases. What are congenital diseases? Congenital disease is a disease which is a physical abnormality. It is a physical abnormality which is present from birth, which is not produced now. It is present from birth. When you get birth, this disease come. That is called as congenital diseases. Or might drugs, or there might be the reason of drugs. Because when you take drugs, then what happens? Then you will not be able to produce the children. Immunological and physiological factors. What are these immunological and physiological factors? Means factors such as the sperm and ovum are not, sperm in males and ovum in females are not able to fertilize, are not produced. Psychological factors or physiological factors such as emotions, stress, tensions, anything, problems, etc. Some of the physiological factors. Specialized fertility clinics can help diagnose and treat infertility. Okay, you should go to the doctor, and doctor will identify the nature of illness or problem, that is called as diagnose. Then he will treat to infertility. Okay, the couples can be assisted to have children through techniques called as assisted reproductive technologies. Okay, the couples can have children by the process of assisted reproductive technologies. We will understand it. I will provide you some important tricks to remember this. Watch till end. Reproductive technologies. There are many names. There are 6 important names that you should remember. Then only you will get the marks in this section. Understood, guys? So I have made you like a story so that you can understand it easily and you will be remembering it for all the time. Okay, here what happens in here: in vitro fertilization, as well as ZIFT, IUT, GIFT, ICSI, artificial insemination. These are some of the very important names. In vitro fertilization, ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer; IUT, intrauterine transfer; GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer; ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection; and artificial insemination. Okay. Let us consider IVF. Okay, the first one was IVF, right? It was first one was IVF. I will consider this as I, WE as V as WV, and Farhan, F as Farhan. Consider. This is the consider section. You must consider IVF as I, Viol, and Farhan. Consider ZIFT. ZIFT as lift. Obviously you travel from lift. Lift is a thing that makes you travel from one place to another. You will consider this ZIFT, ZIFT, as lift. IUT as I, you, and Tarun. The third one was IUT, right? You consider this as I, you, and Tarun. And gift, obviously gift as any surprise gift. Consider GIFT as any surprise gift. And remember ICSI. ICSI Bank. Remember this as the ICSI Bank of India. Let's start our story. I, V, and Farhan. That was IVF, right? I, V, and Farhan went towards the lift. That is ZIFT. Okay. V, Farhan went towards the lift so that we can travel from one place to above place, etc. Or above place to down place. And inside the lift, we saw Tarun standing. Okay, when we went towards the lift, what we saw? We saw our another friend Tarun, but not close friend, only simple friend. We saw Tarun, but the lift would carry only 3 people. But the lift would carry only 3 people. The disadvantage of the lift was only it would carry only 3 people, but we were 4 people, 4 or 5. So we decided I, you and Tarun will go first. That is IUT. I, you and Tarun will go first. But Farhan is our best friend. But Farhan was our best friend. So we felt bad for him. So we went to bring gift. So we felt bad for him because he is our best friend and he has left alone outside the lift. He is not with us. So we felt for him, bad for him. So we went to bring the gift for him. But we did not have money. To bring gift for him. So we went to ICICI Bank to withdraw the money. So we went to bank to withdraw the money. Simple. New technologies. In vitro fertilization. I have made you remember that IVF as I, V and Farhan. Fertilization takes place outside the body. Test tube baby. The following techniques are included in IVF. What is IVF? IVF is the process where when the fertilization does not take place inside the body. Then this is the case where the fertilization takes place outside the body through the in vitro fertilization. There are many sub techniques of this in vitro fertilization. First one is ZIFT, which we remembered as lift. It stands for zygote intrafallopian transfer. In ZIFT, the sperm from a donor male and the ova from a donor female are fused in the laboratory. Here what happens? The sperm which is produced by the male and the ovum which is produced by the female are fused not in the body but in the laboratory, because in the body it does not takes place because of the infertility. So it is taken place outside the body. The zygote so formed transferred into the fallopian tube at the 8th blastomere stage. During the 8th blastomere stage, what happens? The zygote is transferred into the fallopian tube. So it is called as zygote intrafallopian transfer. The next one is IUT, which we remembered as I, you and Tarun. Okay, it stands for intrauterine transfer. In this technique, the embryos with more than 8 blastomeres are transferred into the uterus. Here what happens? Embryos which are with the more than 8 blastomeres are directly transferred into the uterus. Next one is GIFT, which we remembered as a surprise gift for Farhan. It stands for gamete intrafallopian transfer GIFT. In GIFT, females who cannot produce ovum. In this case, the females are not able to produce the ovum, but can provide suitable conditions for the fertilization of ovum are provided with the ovum from a donor. Here what happens? Female is not able to produce the ovum, but she is able to provide the better conditions for the fertilization of ovum. So she is provided ovum from another person or from any donor or provider. ICSI, where we remembered as ICSI Bank of India. It stands for intracytoplasmic sperm injection. In this method, the sperm is directly injected into the cytoplasm of the ovum. Here what happens? The male sperm is directly injected into the cytoplasm of the ovum's cytoplasm. Okay. Artificial insemination. In this technique, the semen collected from the husband or a donor is injected into the vagina or uterus. This cures the infertility arising from the inability of the male partner to ejaculate or due to the low sperm count. Here in the artificial insemination, what happens? Here the male is not able to produce the sperm. In the case of this GIFT, the female was not able to produce the ovum. In the artificial insemination, the male is not able to produce the sperm. So what happens? The semen, here semen refers to sperm. Sperm is collected from the husband or any donor or a provider. It is injected to the female vagina, which is a female part, or uterus. This will what happens? This will cure the infertility so that they can produce the children. This problem is basically due to the inability of the male partner to produce the sperm.